Wowcher 99 Mystery Holiday Review. Is it legit or a scam? Wowcher 99 Mystery Holiday Review. Is it legit or a scam? If you've seen the 99 Mystery Holiday deal on Wowcher, it sounds almost too good to be true. Most people assume a holiday at such a low price is a scam. The surprising truth is that Wowcher is a legitimate of-pay deal platform, and these mystery holidays do exist, but there are important details to know. The 99 offer is real, but it's for a limited package, usually 2 nights, off-peak dates and basic accommodation. You won't believe what happens next. The deal often requires flexibility, as destinations are assigned randomly, and extra costs like travel or premium options aren't included. Customer reviews show that many people enjoyed the experience, but some were disappointed when the location or hotel didn't meet expectations. To make the most of this deal, check all the fine print, including blackout dates, transportation and any additional fees. Booking in advance and reading reviews of the hotel chain or area can help manage expectations. In conclusion, the Wowcher 99 Mystery Holiday is legitimate, but it's not a luxury package. It's ideal for adventurous travelers who are flexible and want a short getaway on a budget. Approach it with realistic expectations, and you can enjoy a fun and affordable experience.